Lots of hacks for easier, more rewarding cooking. All you need is a plastic bottle and a straw to create a vacuum to better preserve your food. Here's a creative way to eat cake. Baking tray too small? Try this space-saving hack. Ingenious! Wow! Slice up your pizza before putting it in the freezer. Now you'll have handy slices ready to defrost whenever needed. Here's a creative way to use your juicer. You can have delicious filled ravioli in no time. Easy! To stop parchment paper from lifting, make small cuts into the corners. Then wet the baking tray. Now the paper will stick down perfectly. This lid is not only handy for drink bottles, but also can be used as an excellent oil dispenser. Very useful! Here's the best way to cut up an orange. Perfect wedges! Doing this, all the filling spills out. Try this smart hack using dental floss. Ready for the oven! You probably opened a case of drink bottles incorrectly. Much better!